News continues tonight at 5 with a measles alert in Clark County schools. School officials just releasing the name of the school where a student came down with this very contagious disease. And no consolation, it's one of the biggest schools in the entire district. News 3's Kelsey Thomas live for us at Valley High School, the site of the measles case. Kelsey, notes are being sent home to parents right now about the outbreak. What have you heard about the biggest concerns surrounding this measles case?
Well, the big concern tonight is there are children here at Valley High School that don't have their vaccines. There's 30 of them. And because this is a potentially deadly virus, they are being told to stay home from school for 3 weeks.
Those kids are excluded for their protection because measles is highly contagious.
It comes with a mild fever, coughing, and a rash that can cover your body. Doctors thought they had wiped out measles 15 years ago. Now, 2,800 kids at Valley High School may have been exposed to the virus.
I think it's really important that parents, look at reasons why they wouldn't immunize a child. Kids that are exempt from immunizations, whether it's measles or pertussis, or are the first kids that are excluded from school when an outbreak occurs.
Lynn Rowe is Director of Health Services for CCSD. While the district requires every student to get the measles vaccine, some parents won't allow their children to get any vaccinations.
Parents can opt out of vaccinations for medical reasons. They need a medical doctor's statement for that, or religious reasons.
One pediatrician tells us she is seeing more and more parents saying no to vaccines.
We're seeing a growing trend in parents not vaccinating, and that's very concerning. As a board-certified family medicine doctor, we want our kids getting vaccinated.
So like you said earlier, a letter went home with those students telling their parents about this measles case here at Valley High School. We have heard, though, that the student is back at school. He or she has already recovered. And of course, the measles vaccine is not 100% effective, but the school district urging parents to check their vaccination records tonight and make sure that their children are vaccinated. Kelsey Thomas, News 3.
All right, Kelsey, thank you. With the size of the population there at that high school, the question, has it spread beyond the school? And Kelsey touched on this. If you think you're immune to the measles just because you got a shot years ago when you were a kid, that's not necessarily true. Public health officials sounding an alert after the measles outbreak, a trek to Disneyland in California, the big one we heard about. They're urging adults to get a measles booster shot. California health experts say they expect the number of measles patients in that state to grow.